Solving equations with variables on both sides. First, you must ensure to simplify both sides of the equation, if necessary. In this problem, I have 5 in front of a parentheses, which means to distribute. So I must distribute first, which means to multiply. So 5 times 2 is 10. We keep the x. 5 times 6 is 30. Positive 30. So we put plus 30. Next, you will want to make sure that there are no like terms that you need to combine. In this case, we do not have any like terms on separate sides of the equation. Now we want to get variables together on one side. You have choice. You can move your variables to the left or the right. I will move my 8x to the left by doing the opposite operation since it's on the opposite side of where the 10x is. So opposite would be minus 8, leaving me with just 2x because the 8's will cancel on the right. So now I have 30 and 48 left, leaving me with a two-step equation. So now I'm going to isolate the variable group by undoing the addition. And in order to undo addition, I need to subtract because I want to combine my numbers together. So when I subtract, I am left with 18. Now, last step, I want to isolate the variable by undoing the multiplication because 2x means 2 times x. The inverse will be to divide, meaning that x equals 9.